Good morning everyone. So today we will be doing experiments on centrifugal compressor. So constant speed, characteristic of a centrifugal compressor. So we'll be using this equipment. So we have this 7-stage centrifugal compressor. Then you have the inlet and the outlet here. Okay. Okay, so here we have one orifice at the inlet. We have temperature sensor and we have the outlet aperture of the compressor. So we can lose this string to control the exit, okay, or the outlet of our compressor, okay. So this centrifugal compressor is interfacing our software here. Okay, so this software can control the compressor as well as taking the reading or the data provided by our equipment. So as you can see here, you have the diagram wherein you can get the orifice pressure at the inlet temperature, the compressor pressure. Okay, so inside the compressor, 7-stage. Then you have here the torque. Okay, the torque, the speed, and then the discharge in liters per second. So everything will be given by this software. So also the control. So first, as you will see here, watchdog enabled is green, power on. So in switching on the compressor, you need to press this one. Okay. So once it is on black dot, it means the power is on. Our equipment is on the on position. Now the motor setting, this will set the speed of our compressor. So let's try at 100% running. Okay. So our aperture is fully open. Okay. Open. Now on the software, you have here the green button wherein you can take your reading. Okay. By pressing this as go, and you can take your reading here on the software. So let's start taking the actual reading of the experiment. Okay. So first, set the compressor speed to a maximum of 100%. So we are now at 100%, but we will not record the flow rate yet. Okay. Next, fully close the outlet aperture to give a minimum flow. So where is the aperture? This one. So we will fully close. Okay. So once it is fully closed, it will give us a minimum flow. Now click the button on the toolbar to record the sets of readings. So sets of readings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets. Okay. Now we will select incremental values for air velocity that will give us 10 to 15 individual readings. Okay. For a maximum velocity. Now, open the aperture to increase the flow rate for the first increment. Then click the go button to take the sample. Then repeat for each increment until the aperture is fully open. So let's go to the aperture. We will open it. So we open the aperture partially and we take the sets of readings. So let's say 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again, open it. Open the aperture. Then again, open the aperture until it becomes fully open. Okay? Until it becomes fully open. Then take the reading. So after completing getting the sample, you can take this table here. So this is the sampling number. You have the atmospheric pressure given. The compressor setting at 100%. Compressor speed. The motor, torque, it will be calculated by the software. The inlet temperature, the density, differential pressure, discharge, the mechanical power, the inlet, and so on. Okay? So it will give you a complete reading. Compressor efficiency, predicted compressor efficiency, and so on. Then save this one. We can save it as Excel file. Okay? As Excel file. And you can plot the graph according to the given on the lab sheet or the lab manual. Okay? So compressor efficiency versus predicted compressor efficiency, or the discharge versus compressor efficiency. So just read the lab sheet or the lab manual. It will guide you how you will plot the graph. So this is at constant speed. Okay? At constant speed. So we can try it at 80% motor setting. So we try it at 100%. So you can try it at 80, at 60, and so on until 20%, 60, 40, if time permits. Okay, but the procedure are the same. For example, you set this as 80, open the aperture gradually. Open it, take the reading until it is fully open. Okay, so this will conclude the experiment on the constant speed characteristic of a centrifugal compressor.